Hello, welcome to the It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a PIN screen lock in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To set a PIN as a screen lock, we have to go to the settings. Then we are looking for lock screen type here. At the top of the screen we need to choose PIN. Now, as you can see, at least 6 digit is recommended, but we can use 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, continue, 1, 1, 2, 2, yes. And now we have our screen lock enabled. Let's see. One, 1, 2, 2. Okay. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.